Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another travel video, except that this particular video features sketches that I've made on recent travels. But without further ado, as they say, let's just get into it. Few sketches from recent travels, and I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Now, if you like this kind of video, please mark it as a like, or if you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe. But otherwise, all that is left for me to say is thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.